Hello! Happy International Women's Day! Today is Monday, March 8th. It is 12:15 p.m. Pacific time, and today is International Women's Day. And I am working on some Patreon orders, and I just thought that I would kind of take you guys along and show you what I'm doing. Anybody that has signed up for one of my subscription tiers on patreon.com gets their benefits. I usually get the items out the door in the first week or so. So we're on the 8th today, so like they're going out today. I'm almost done. I've done 2 out of the 5 cups that I need to do, and I have a few more stickers to print. I'll show you what they look like. I'm really happy with how this turned out. I am obsessed, and I will be making myself one, but this is the cup. So it has the name in a rose gold glitter vinyl on the front, and then it has all those little polka dots all over it. The black and white polka dots, they're big at the bottom and they get smaller at the top, and I am obsessed. I think it looks so stinking cute. So I'm really excited to finish these cups. So I've got them all down here, and I need 3 more to finish off these Patreons. They normally are a beast to weed, but I am doing the reverse weed, which is simply putting the transfer tape on before you weed the design. And then the idea is, the goal is, I'm peeling the backing of the vinyl off, and then all you have to do is grab the actual vinyl itself, and as you weed it, as you peel it back, the images that you want to keep on the design stay. The problem is it's really sticky, so it can be a challenge to get this technique done, especially holding it up in the air like this. I need to lay it flat down on a surface, but you can see that it's leaving behind all of the pieces that I want to keep, which are all those little polka dots. So that is the idea behind the reverse weed. So now, let me turn this around so you can see. So I'm just grabbing, getting a really good hold on this, and then just ripping that all the way off. Like so. There it is. Okay, and there it is. Look, it's weeded. Look how simple that was. I didn't have to sit there and pick at every single little one of these things, which can be very tedious. So there's the easy weed method. So if you try this, let me know. Definitely make sure that you test it out before you go and do a humongous project, because depending on your transfer tape, it might not work the same, it might not work at all. So I do have to cut this apart into a couple of sections to get it on my cup the way that I want it to be. So we're gonna prop up the cup like this. I'm gonna grab a name, and this one is Skylar's. So I'm going to peel the backing off and get the name on the cup. Make sure it is level. I'm obsessed with how that looks. Like I said, I'm definitely going to make myself one of these. It shall be mine, but I'm also going to be listing these in my shop, and by the time you're watching this video, they should be up and ready to go. I'm going to probably run out of these wine tumblers, so I think I need to get some more on order because they are just they're so cute. I do have black too, and I think that black with a white polka dot would be scrumptious as well. Boom. Then with the dots, I've found what's super helpful is to cut it up into sections. That one there, and then I'll put this one here, and then I'll just keep doing that until I have what I want. So I'm going to get going finishing up these last 3 cups and printing out some more stickers. So I'm going to throw up a little time lapse for you, and you can just kind of hang out and chill with me while I get some work done. And I'm probably going to go live over on TikTok also, just for a minute, so that I can hang out with some of my peeps over there. That is my day today. I need to try really hard to get these done, boxed and packaged and labeled and out the door. So it's 12:23 now. I still have a little bit of time, but I really want to try and get all of this done before 4 o'clock when my workday technically ends. I had a meeting this morning. I have a small business coaching session, so I had one of those scheduled for this morning, and I have one scheduled every day this week. So it's gonna be super busy. I have to be uber organized, and I think I'm probably gonna have to start writing out my to-do list every single morning, which I should be doing anyway, but I haven't been doing. But I don't have time for that right now. I have to do these cups first, and then I will get to that. So let's jump into the time lapse. So I have finished the Patreon cups, and I've printed some new stickers, which I am going to include in some of the Patreon orders. And then I also need to photograph and list and do all that stuff. I need to start packing orders now. So that is my focus for the rest. My light is flickering. That's what I'm going to focus on for the rest of the day. It is 2:24 p.m. and I got a lot to do in a short amount of time. So I don't have that much more time today. I have like an hour and a half. So I'm trying really hard to get as much as possible made and packaged. And it's kind of coming down to the wire also because Friday Night Live, I had quite a few orders to get done. And I'm trying to get those out the door, and we did a huge kind of like giveaway thing for hitting 50,000 followers over on TikTok. And if you haven't gone over there yet, make sure that you do. So we played bingo, which was so much fun. And because of that, everybody that got a name on the board got a free sticker. So I have extra stickers that I need to get out. I'm going to finish getting these stickers ready to go and get these orders packaged up. Ah, there we go. Okay, so I am currently lettering all of the custom names for the orders that we received on Friday. And there are quite a few to do. As soon as I get the custom name stickers done, then I'm going to be able to cut them out and get them ready to go. I have the Patreon cards all printed and designed and ready to go. Those are their coupon codes, so they get those to use. And then after I get these stickers printed, I think I'm ready to start packaging things. And it's 3:46 p.m., which it's not going to make today's mail, but I will get it to the post office either tonight or first thing in the morning so that it can go out. So I'm almost done getting all that done, and I'm trying really hard to get all of my open orders done. I'm working overtime tonight, so normally like around 3:30 or 4 is when I stop, but I have so much work to do. I really want to get caught up, so I'm gonna go ahead and hammer it all out now. Hubby is out watching the baby, thank goodness, so I'm going to get on this and get it done so that I can just kind of rest and breathe easy tomorrow, because I have a lot of stuff I want to do tomorrow, but how productive I am tomorrow depends on how productive I am today. Do your future self a favor and work hard today so that you don't have to work as hard later. So that's the goal. That's what I'm up to. I'm going to bust these out and then I'll show you the packaging. Okay, it is much later in the evening now. We are at 7:48 p.m. and the lighting is real dark because it's dark outside. I have, I think, probably 5 or 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I have 5 envelopes done and ready to go off to their homes. Some of these are the Friday night Words are hard today. Some of these are from prizes from Friday night when we played bingo over on TikTok, and some of them are my Patreons. And I still have a whole table to package here. And I haven't even finished that cup yet right there. So that actually is going to wait. And I'm going to make that one tomorrow. Just one bite at a time. Like, it feels really overwhelming because the table is completely full and I don't even know where to start. Just start one order at a time. Just grab an order, pack that one order, and then find your rhythm and go with it. Let's start the time lapse. Multiple time lapses later, and I am still packing orders. I'm really close to being done. I have 3 more Patreon orders to go. Here's Skylar. So exciting. I already have her stickers in the little box, and now I'm wrapping up the cup now. I have 3 more Patreons to wrap, and then I need to make this still, so this order can't go out until tomorrow. So I'm almost done. Almost done. I'm really tired, and I don't have my assembly line going, so I'm going literally 1 order at a time. So that does tend to take quite a bit more time. I've had to kind of stop and reprint some things. I was missing one of my Patreon coupon code things, so I had to print another one of those. Little things like that, and then I had to go get a box, and then go get another box, and then get another box. Because I'm not just packing my orders, I'm also packing my husband's orders for his business. So I had a couple of extra things I needed to do for that. I'm going to probably call this vlog here. I'm gonna finish packing these orders. It's basically the same thing, so I don't think I should bore you with another time lapse. I'm gonna hit the hay here in just a few minutes as soon as I get the rest of these orders packaged. And I will just run them to the post office first thing in the morning. I think my mom and I are gonna go to the grocery store, so I'll be able to drop these off right before we do that, and they'll get out in tomorrow's mail. Sometimes you just don't hit the deadlines that you're hoping to hit, but that's okay. Don't beat yourself up. You have done everything you can. You just have to keep going. So that's what I'm doing. As soon as I get these packaged up, I'm gonna go to bed, and I'm going to start fresh tomorrow. So thanks for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, click the subscribe button, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye.